Guys, I'm Deepa and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, really welcome. I think everyone is new here because it's a new channel, and today's video is gonna be on skincare, or actually what I do for my skin. So as you guys can see, I am back from a trip, just a short one, and I need to take skincare because it's really polluted here over Kolkata. I don't know where you guys live, so please make a comment that where you live. So the first step is to cleanse. So I don't prefer really chemicals on outdoor products as long as I really don't want it. So I use simple coconut oil, which I use for my hair as well. So I use the coconut oil, warm up it on my hands and just apply it on my skin. Just rub a little bit and you will see your all makeup will come off. I don't think so that you really need to charge a really long price for a simple things. You can make it at home, or maybe it's always available at your home. So don't be like that, pricey person, I feel. So what I'm doing here, I'm just put my hands and warm it up a little bit, and you can just place it over for some time as well. It will easily take off your makeup, but don't rub it because it will give you some wrinkles. And I think more than using the chemical oils or things like that, a simple coconut oil is really nice. Then I'm using a soap. Now this is not the normal Lux kind of soaps or that fancy ones. It's just a goat milk soap. I think goat milk is really good for your skin, so you should try it. I just lather it on and wash it off. Now a famous brand you guys can look. This is the Etude House Moistfull Collagen Skincare Kit. This is a mini one because what I should tell. The big ones, actually the real ones, are really pricey, and I don't wanna give on something which I don't know how it will work. So I tried this first, and this has essence, toner, I think cream as well, and some emulsion. So obviously first you will use the toner, then you will use the essence, then the emulsion, and then the cream, because the most watery consistency goes first, then comes the creamier and thicker ones. So here I am applying the essence. All are applied with gentle hands and upward motions. Now a simple rule is when you apply makeup, go downwards, and when you apply skincare, go upwards. Simply skincare doing upwards is really simple. Why we do it? Because of the gravity. Every day, every night, everything is going downwards, so you need to keep it upwards. So that's why we are really getting it up. Then I think this was the emulsion, and this has a little bit sticky but really moistury and almost creamy feeling. So with simply these 4 products, I feel a power pack, like what you feel when you use a sheet mask. Really these 4 products give you. So the last thing was the cream, and also I did same. I applied it and dragged it in upwards motion. You can massage it as well. It will be really good for your skin, even if you have like baby skin. Maybe you think like I don't need anti-aging or something like that. I don't think this is something good you are doing, because this is not like when you only age. Anti-aging is for everyone, so you can do whenever you want it. So doing it first is really helpful. And the last thing I did was a toner, just like you do a makeup fixer, I do a skincare fixer with the toner and a lip balm. And this was my video. I hope it was helpful, and bye.